Have you ever wondered about the mysterious connection between science and spiritual manifestation? Imagine the vast universe shrouded in secrets, beckoning us to explore the unseen realms that lie beyond our comprehension. Today, we embark on a mind-bending journey, delving into the depths of a science student's quantum perspective. Brace yourselves as we dive into the fascinating world where science and spirituality intersect. In this captivating exploration, we'll unravel the enigmatic relationship between light, thoughts, and atoms. Their interplay within the quantum realm holds the key to understanding the extraordinary powers of manifestation. As science advances, we learn that light itself carries profound implications for our manifesting abilities. The very essence of photons, the particles of light, intertwines with our thoughts and intentions in ways that defy conventional understanding. But here's where it gets truly fascinating. Quantum jumps, the phenomenon at the heart of reality, offer us profound insights through the lens of quantum field theory. We'll dive into the mysterious world of quantum jumps, where particles shift between states seemingly instantaneously, defying what we thought was the solid foundation of reality, a concept that challenges our perception of time and space. Friends, join me as we unravel the secrets that lie at the nexus of science and spirituality. Let us ignite our curiosity, expand our awareness, and open our minds to the extraordinary possibilities that await our exploration. If this journey resonates with you, if you seek to uncover the hidden truths that lie at the crossroads of science and spirituality, I invite you to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Together, let's continue unraveling the mysteries of the universe. Prepare to have your mind bent, your beliefs challenged, and your understanding elevated. Get ready for a thought-provoking adventure that will leave you astounded and inspired. Stay tuned as we unveil the intricate tapestry that connects science and spiritual manifestation, unraveling the mysteries that have captivated seekers, scientists, and visionaries throughout the ages. Welcome to a world where science meets the soul, where quantum leaps unlock new dimensions, and where our minds stretch to comprehend the unimaginable. Let the journey begin. The correlation between science and manifestation stems from the understanding that our thoughts, beliefs, and intentions have the power to shape our reality. Science provides a framework for exploring and understanding the workings of the physical world, while manifestation delves into the realm of the mind and the power of intention. Science seeks to unravel the mysteries of our universe through systematic observation, experimentation, and analysis. It establishes laws and principles based on empirical evidence and logical reasoning. Manifestation, on the other hand, explores the idea that our thoughts and emotions can influence the outcomes we experience in our lives. The correlation between science and manifestation lies in the recognition that our thoughts and beliefs have energetic vibrations that interact with the fabric of the universe. These vibrations can affect the behavior of particles, energy, and matter. This concept aligns with scientific principles that describe the interplay between energy, matter, and the laws of physics. For instance, quantum physics reveals that particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously and can exhibit wave-particle duality. Similarly, manifestation teaches us that through focused intention and alignment with our desires, we can shift our own reality and experience desired outcomes. Friends, quantum jumping and quantum field theory offer intriguing insights into the realm of manifestation and can be utilized to enhance our manifestation practices. Here's how. Quantum jumping is a concept derived from quantum physics that suggests particles can instantaneously shift between states. In the context of manifestation, quantum jumping can be understood as the ability to shift our reality, moving from one desired state to another. By harnessing the power of quantum jumping, we can visualize and align ourselves with the desired outcome we seek to manifest. This involves stepping into the mindset and energy of the desired state, allowing ourselves to fully embody it. This practice helps create a powerful energetic resonance and signals to the universe our intention to manifest our desires. Quantum field theory explores the interconnectedness of all things through the concept of fields. These fields permeate the entire universe and are responsible for the interactions between particles and energy. In the context of manifestation, the quantum field represents the energetic medium through which our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs can influence our reality. Utilizing quantum field theory in manifestation involves becoming aware of our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs and aligning them with our desired outcomes. By consciously directing our energy and focusing on positive, aligned thoughts and emotions, we can create a coherent field of energy around us. This coherent energy field then interacts with the larger quantum field, attracting back experiences and circumstances that are in alignment with our intentions. So friends, what does this mean? And how can these theories be used to manifest our desires? I tell you, quantum field theory suggests that everything, yes, even our thoughts, behave as waves. Just like waves ripple through water, our thoughts ripple through the fabric of the quantum field. What's even more astonishing is that thoughts are not bound by the constraints of space and time. They have the ability to exist in this vast quantum field, transcending the limitations of our physical reality. The quantum field contains an infinite number of potential realities, each represented by different quantum states or particles. These realities coexist, each with its own unique set of possibilities. Quantum jumps occur when we transition from one reality to another, experiencing a shift in our circumstances and the outcomes we manifest. To make these quantum jumps, we must provide energy through our emotions to resonate with the corresponding thought frequency. Think of emotions as the fuel that propels us into a new reality. When we invoke emotions that align with our desires, we fuel the quantum jump, bridging the gap between different quantum states. The gaps between these quantum states are intimately related to the Planck constant, a fundamental constant in quantum physics. This constant represents the threshold that needs to be crossed for a leap to occur, like a bridge between different realities. In the quantum world, light plays a remarkable role. It provides the energy needed to excite particles from one quantum level to another. Similarly, as we harness our emotions and align our thoughts and frequencies, we provide the energetic propulsion required for our own personal quantum jumps. It is suggested that within our emotions lies a potent source of energy. Humans have the capacity to tap into this energy, employing it for quantum jumping and aligning their vibrations with different thoughts and frequencies. By consciously directing our emotions and thoughts, we can navigate and shape our own reality, unlocking infinite potentials that reside within the quantum field. The world of quantum field theory invites us to ponder the extraordinary relationship between our thoughts, emotions, and the limitless possibilities that surround us. And there you have it, an exploration of the awe-inspiring power of our thoughts and the boundless potential within the quantum field. Remember, thoughts know no boundaries of time and space, transcending the limitations of our physical realm. They are weightless, yet hold the immense power to shape our reality. By harnessing the energy of our emotions, we can align ourselves with the thoughts that resonate with our deepest desires. The quantum field, with its infinity of possibilities, serves as the canvas upon which our intentions and dreams can manifest. It is through our conscious energy, directed towards the right thoughts, that we transform them into tangible realities in the fabric of space and time. And remember, negative thoughts presented to us hold no power unless we choose to give them our energy. So let us remain vigilant, focusing our energy on the thoughts and beliefs that empower and uplift us. If you found this video enlightening and engaging, we invite you to show your support by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. We value your thoughts and would love to hear your experiences or questions in the comment section below. Your insights inspire us to continue sharing knowledge and guidance on this incredible manifestation journey. Until we meet again in our next video, keep harnessing the power of your thoughts and aligning with the endless possibilities of the quantum field.